Hi, welcome to my channel. When you are completely forgot your password and you are completely locked out of your mobile, so your last option is to factory reset your mobile. So in this video, I will show you how to factory reset using safe mode. So first, you have to switch off your mobile phone. You have to long press your power button and volume up key, and you select the power off. So to activate the safe mode, here to long press your power button and volume down key. Press it for like 10 seconds. So in this you will get multiple options. Using your volume up and down keys, you can select the options. So today we will select the recovery mode. To select the recovery mode, press the power button. So whenever you are factory resetting a mobile on Android, sometimes you will getting this error, no command. So I will show you how to fix this issue. So you have to long press the power button and up arrow volume. Just remember, you have to first lift your finger from your power volume up key. Keep pressing the power button and then release. So you'll get this screen. Now you have to come down to wipe out and factory reset. So this will be completely factory reset your data. So if this resolve your issue, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.